Hello everyone, welcome to another Wix tutorial video. Now in this tutorial video, I will show you how to create dynamic pages on Wix. Now basically, if you know what dynamic page is, it's basically an item page that is a single page design that you can use over and over again to display items from your collection. Now you can add this page by adding more elements or deleting existing elements from it, and you always have full control of how your elements are connected to your content in your collection. So basically what you want to do is you want to add a dynamic item page. So how can you do this? You go to the CMS in your editor, and basically this is the content manager or the content manager system, and you want to go to your collections. So in your Wix editor you can just click CMS. In your editor X it's pretty much the same, and you want to click collections, and from here, as you can see, you have recipes, for example, and you can add a dynamic item page for a particular collection, for example. Now, obviously, option 2 is to add or delete elements. You can do this by going to the plus side on the left side of the editor, and then you can click element you want to add to your page and click the element on your page, and then you can click connect to data icon, which is this icon right here. You select the fields from your collection in the drop down menus under the connection options, and that's pretty much it, right? You can also check connection of the elements as well. However, this is not the case for this tutorial. So basically that's pretty much how you can add a dynamic page. Obviously, again, you always have full control of how your elements are connected to your content. You can use the page URL link to link it via menu items or buttons, or control what content gets displayed. However, this is pretty much how you can go and create the dynamic pages on Wix. If you have any questions or comments, you can always comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.